So another area in the house that we wanted to improve was this front living room window. The original window was still in place that had a storm window on the exterior, but we would notice while we were sitting in here during cold temperatures that we would feel a draft on the back of our neck coming through the window. So we decided to go ahead and replace this window, but it was really important to us to maintain the look of the home. So I chose to go with a narrower divided light vertical grid on the top half of the window, which was original to the home, and no dividers on the bottom portion of the window. So we've noticed with some of the cooler days that we've had so far this year, we don't get any more air coming through the window or a draft on the back of our neck when we sit here in the evening. So it's nice that Marvin Windows can offer a window that has newer technology but still maintains the look of older windows.